I have a massive speed update with the C64 Ultimate, especially rendering 3D graphics. So with the previous demo, this used to take, just half a frame to a frame. Now this is the Commodore 64, the stock emulated Commodore 64, but this is very slow on a Commodore 64, even if it's just rendering this, and this is incredibly slow. But this is now rendering a few scan lines instead of taking most of a frame, and this is rendering in less than a frame still, like half a frame, where instead of taking 2 whole frames to render, and it's rendering even more stuff. So I've put this on my public GitHub repository, you can download it. It's just a PRG now. So what was the optimization? Well, the Commodore 64 version uses about 16 to 20 cartridge banks for unrolled speed code for plotting the spans. And on a Commodore 64, this is faster because the cartridge, ROM, RAM, whatever you're using on the cartridge, is the same speed as the normal RAM on the Commodore 64. But apparently on the C64 Ultimate, ROM on the cartridge is slower. So put everything in RAM and shorten the code and it runs quicker. This is a big surprise to me because I would have expected the cartridge bank ROM to be just as fast as normal Commodore 64 RAM, even with 64 MHz mode enabled, but it's not. So yeah, put everything in RAM, don't run from the cartridge banks, and it's a lot quicker. 64 times quicker actually than Commodore 64. So yes, if you like these kind of technical deep dive videos, then please do consider liking or subscribing to this channel, or sending me a super thanks. They are always very much appreciated. I have an itch project page where you can download my software and optionally send me a nice donation, which is always appreciated. Take care, have a great day, evening or night, wherever you are.